Well, Somit is connected with us. Somit, good morning. The statement that previously came in from the Chief Minister saying that nothing wrong in learning Hindi is being seconded by his Deputy CM as well.
Well, that's true. Actually, like you said, TDP Chief Minister, NDA government led by Chandrababu Naidu, he clearly stated that, we need Hindi and also we need multiple languages. And now, Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan, he went, a level ahead, and he has attacked the DMK directly or indirectly, and he has stated that you want the workers from the, Uttar Pradesh, you want workers from the Bihar, and you dub your movies in Hindi. You want money from Uttar Pradesh, you want money from Bihar, and you want money from Hindi, but you at the same time you oppose Hindi. How is this fair? How is this justice? So he has attacked the people who are against the Hindi imposition, and he has stated that we want multiple languages, and apart from Tamil, along with Tamil, we want multiple languages, and that is how we share love. That is how we share our integrity and everything. So basically what he has stated is we need multiple languages, and then he has stated that glory to the Mother India.
Right. But this is a stand mainly the southern states that we have seen, Somit, that is mainly being taken. However, when it comes to Telangana, the adjoining state has talked of when it comes to making Telugu compulsory, especially when it comes to schools. And here is the Deputy CM of Andhra Pradesh who is now saying that opposition to any language must not be done. And then why is that the Tamil films are dubbed in Hindi only to gain more business, especially when it comes to the other states where the language is mainly spoken? Let's listen in.
భారతదేశానికి కావాల్సింది తమిళనాడుతో సహా we need multiple languages, not just two. We need multiple languages to keep, not just for the integrity of the country, but also to understand each other, to share love with each other. అందుకనే బహుభాషే భారతదేశానికి మంచిది. చెప్తామా భారత్ మాతా కి జై. बोलो भारत माता की.
All right, this is a statement that has now been made by Pawan Kalyan amid the row over the language issue that has been taken up mainly by the state of Tamil Nadu, the DMK, who has raised the issue of Hindi imposition or opposition to NEP. However, we have seen the statement that has come in from the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, who is saying that there is nothing wrong when it comes to learning Hindi. And here is Pawan Kalyan questioning as to why oppose Hindi but dub movies for profit. And here is Pawan Kalyan, who has backed the BJP in the language row with Tamil Nadu, as far as Pawan Kalyan, who has been criticizing the certain leaders from the opposition for opposing Hindi but allowing their movies to be dubbed in Hindi for financial gain.